How to fix Google Meet video not working. First, if you're having any kinds of camera issues or video issues on the Google Meet app, what you want to do is you want to simply cut the call here first. If you're having any kinds of problem, you want to simply cut the call and join again. And by doing so, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, what you want to do is you want to simply make sure that your video options is turned on over here. And as you can see, the video options is turned on and it is working. However, if it's not working, what you want to do is you want to simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto the Meet app and tap on app info. After that, you want to simply click on permissions and you want to simply make sure that the camera permission is turned on over here. You want to simply tap on camera, and if this option is set to don't allow, you want to simply select it to allow only while using the application, and by doing so you shouldn't be having any kinds of camera issues. However, if you still have any kinds of problem, you want to simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.